Good morning, everybody. Sorry my camera's gonna be a little wobbly. I did pack my tripod. I'm getting ready right now to get ready to go on vacation, but I had to share with you guys deals or new coupons to print. I wanted to share with you guys on that. I'm trying to like set my thing, but let's just see what coupons you guys can print. Now I usually print my coupons on swagbucks.com. If you guys want to join, you guys can click my referral link. But you get a point for every coupon you print, and it's up to, I can't remember what it's up to. I think it's up to like 20 coupons a day. So there's this website, and then there's another website I want to share with you guys. But let's just dig in and show you guys what coupons to print. Now I am looking through my computer or my screen on my camera, so it's going to be a little bit harder, but there's that $4 off Persil, but it is for a larger size. I forgot to add this when I saw this reset, so I'm doing that one. Clorox, that's a new coupon, but I haven't seen any deals for that. I've never really couponed for that, so I'm going to pass on printing that for now. I did see, now I have a Festival Foods. Everybody's grocery stores are different, but I'm just going to click that. Some people have different coupons than everybody else does. $2 off of Vino Baby. That's a great coupon. It's really hard to see. But here we got some vitamins. Poopery or pre-poop toilet spray. $1 off of the All, which I'm excited for. I never get those coupons. We got the $2 off Natural Instinct. 50 cents off of the toothpaste. Here we have another $1 off of All. $2 off of Gliss. $2 off CoverGirl, $2 off of Aveeno, more $2 off CoverGirl. Here we have 50 cents off of Snuggle. I don't think that's a great coupon, but I'm still just going to print it because I never get those. Here we got $2 off Depends, Poise, Aleve, Cetaphil, Pull-Ups, $2. Boost, there's that $3 off of Monopoly. I don't know if any of these are going to be new ones. Let's just see. Candy Tums, Cascade. Yeah, these are all the resets from the beginning of the month. But yes, I think that's all that there is for those kind of coupons. Takes forever for these things to load. That's one thing I don't like about this website. I wish you could like just search for certain coupons, but no, you have to go all the way to the bottom to re-find them. There are categories, but almost there. Seriously, I don't care about half of this crap. And then here are those coupons that I printed off, and I'm going to print this one off again. So there's also, you guys can also print off of redplum.com. if there's any coupons for you. So here we got some Angel Soft, Aleve. I'm going to print more All coupons. And probably Gliss, $3 off Schwarzkopf, Brawny. L'Oreal, more of that All. And those look like that is it. So I just wanted to share with you guys coupons to print. And I will see you guys all later. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.